you guys next
time on
Mowers and Blowers.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Received this in the mail the other day, and it's from InQ Omega, or InQ Mega. The name is kind of hard to pronounce. It is a floodlight Wi-Fi camera, surveillance. I have about 16 cameras in my house because I get a lot of Wi-Fi security surveillance cameras in the mail. I don't know how I got on the list to get them, but either way, I've become pretty good at doing it. Just doing an unboxing for you. In the box, instructions. Get out of here, we don't need instructions. Forget about it. Antenna, you could tell what it is without looking at the instructions. Power cord. Power cord. This has got to be a connector cord to the power cord. Extension. Grommet connectors for the cable. And here it is. It's the kind that can pan 360 degrees, up, down, left, and right. And what's good about it is motion sensing. It has a spotlight that shines as soon as it senses movement. So that's pretty cool. Another bag with anchors for installation and a couple of Phillips screws. Warranty card. Nothing else. So you still have to wire this to power, which I don't have a need for it because I don't want to drill holes in my walls to attach a power cord to it. I wanted it to be self-contained. I wanted maybe a solar one, you know, then I'll put it up. But I'll connect this up and let you guys know if this works well or not. Stick the antenna over here. And plus, if you wanted to mount this somewhere, right, you would need a hole big enough. You'd have to drill a hole through your wall to fit this huge cluster of stuff through it, right? Then connect the this extension power wire to the attached coupling. See, you don't need instructions for this. You just figure it out. If it fits, it fits. So one of them here is for the Ethernet, right? If you wanted to connect this to hardwire to your Wi-Fi. And then this one is a reset button. Has a cap on it for weather, outdoor weather. So if you wanted to reset it, take the cover off, press the button for a few seconds and it resets it. And this one here is your power cable. So essentially, all you really need to go through the wall is one wire, actually. That's not too bad. But I don't think I'm going to use it because the place that I want to hang it or have a need for a camera doesn't have an area that I want to plug, drill a hole through. So that's that. I'm going to have to now pair this with my phone. And I'll look at the instructions a little bit to figure out what the app is. So I downloaded the Tuya app. Once I downloaded the Tuya app, you reset this item right here. Then it goes through some prompts. Then a QR code comes on the screen. You take the camera and you point it at the QR code, and then it pairs it. Once paired, it was very easy. As you can see, I'm sitting here right now. It's upside down, but you know, you can see me in real time right now. So it seems to work very well. As you can see here, you can pan. Left and right. You can press video, but I didn't put a video card in there. So you can put a SD card in there. You have voice, kind of like an intercom. I'm far away. You have to be far away from the device because you get feedback. You can select between HD and regular definition. Signal right here is 66%. It's off my Wi-Fi. You can press the record button like I said. And everything seems to work just fine. It was a very easy installation actually. And I like the fact that you can pan in real time like that, see? Works pretty well. Maybe I will drill a hole in my thing, because this works very well. There's a slight delay, 1 or 2 seconds, but, it's pretty responsive actually. And then when you, it's at night, the infrared detects motion and the floodlights go on. So it's very cool. I like it a lot. So that's my unboxing, installation, and review of the Tuya Wi-Fi floodlight camera. I probably won't use it because I don't want to drill a hole in my wall for installation. If it was solar powered, I would use it. The wires just get in the way, and drilling a hole in your wall is permanent, So that's not something that I want. It's wired. But if you guys don't mind drilling a hole in your wall, this was very easy to install. One of the easiest ones I've ever paired, because the other ones are very difficult and very complicated. This one was plug and play. Really easy. Good responsiveness on the movement. Also, it didn't come with an SD card, so I wasn't able to try recording. My advice to some of these manufacturers, try to make it wireless and also include an SD card. People don't like to buy things. They're excited to use it, but then now they figured out that you don't give them an SD card. You got to go back out now to a store and go buy one. Just kind of a hassle, you know what I mean? Almost like batteries not included, you know what I mean? But anyway, that's just me, in my opinion. But like I said, small, compact, it's very good because it has a floodlight too, Not many Wi-Fi cameras have a floodlight. That way it scares off intruders just with the light itself, Also, very easy pairing. It found the signal right away, easy to install. You had to register for an account with Tuya. It was really easy. You didn't have to jump through too many hurdles. No capture codes or anything like that. Didn't have to enter it twice. Didn't have to require a capital letter and a unique number along with the 16-digit password. You know what I mean? Easy. So that's a good thing about it. Also, this only works for 2.4 gigahertz. If your house Wi-Fi is like 5G or something, won't work. Just to let you know, I've had cameras that are 5G and it didn't work. So if you have 5G, probably won't work for you. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on this product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
It's Henry! And Mowers and Blowers!
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers! As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.